Hello everyone, so today we are going to learn something new. For that you need to click on presentations. You will come to the screen. Just click on presentation 4:3. Okay, we'll get something like this. Now we need to get a photo where we can get a blackboard. Okay, so I'll just search with blackboard, and there are a lot of these, but keeping in mind that there will be viewers who have Canva free and they do not have Canva Pro, I will take something which is free. So let's take this one. This is pretty. I'll just drag and drop, and if you want you can double click and adjust the size as well. I think this much is fine. After that I'll add a text. I'll go to T and add a text, and here let's say I'll write Ranjit Raj. Okay, now I need a handwriting font, so I will go and change the font to Luminous Brush or Marker. Okay, Marker looks better. I'll just go with it. I'll increase the size of this, rotate it a little bit, and place it at the center of the page. Alright, after this I will go to animate and click on typewriter, so that I'm getting that typewriter kind of a look. After that you have to get a photo of a hand holding a chalk. So you can come here and search man, or not man, let's say hand holding a chalk. Okay, and search. So I will see that there are quite a few which are popping up. Let's go to graphics, and these are here, but I want a real hand, okay, to make it look realistic. So here these are here, but these are pro, so I'll just take this keyword and open a new tab and go to freepic.com. Here you will get free photos. I'll just click on free, and from here I can take any one of my choice. So I've already downloaded one, and let me show you. It's in uploads, this one. I'll remove the background from here. If you do not have this option, you can get it removed from remove.bg or photo room. It's very easy. Now I have this hand ready. It has to come in front, so I'll go to position and bring it to the front. Okay, the page is a little bigger in size so that I can handle it properly. Now clicking on this particular hand, I will go to animate, and there is a new option which has been added, that is called create an animation. I'll just click on that and start running my hand just the way the handwriting is written. Okay, so Ranjit Raj. Okay, now you can see that it's not matching well. So here for free you can adjust the speed of how quick or how slow you want the writing to be. Okay, so once done, this is how it's going to look like. Let me present it. Isn't it amazing? So just like that you can create videos like this, and if you want you can go ahead and follow our channel. You can subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. So let me just, you need to search with Grow with Ranjit Raj, and let me just show you around real quick. So here you will get loads and loads of videos which are related to Canva, new designs and whatever is new. You can find all of them here. So go and subscribe right now if you don't want to miss out on any further videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.